2 years ago, I couldn't even save $100 a month. The idea of saving $10,000 in 1 year felt impossible. But guess what? I did it. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too, even if you're broke right now. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finexa. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan to save $10,000 in 12 months, no matter your income level. Saving $10K sounds huge, but here's the math. $10,000 12 months, about $833 per month. $833, $27 per day. When you break it down, saving $10K becomes manageable. It's all about creating the right system and sticking to it, and that's exactly what we're going to build today. Step 1. Know your numbers. First, you need to know where your money is going. Download a free budgeting app like Mint, or You Need a Budget, or use a simple spreadsheet. Track your spending for 30 days. You'll be shocked how much is going to subscriptions, eating out, or impulse buys. Step 2. Cut big expenses first. Now it's time to cut. Start with the big wins. Get a roommate or negotiate the rent. Sell that extra car, use public transit, prepare meal, and stop ordering out 3 buys a week. Subscriptions, audit them right now. Cut at least 3 today. Cutting $200, $400 a month here can make a huge impact. Step 3. Increase your income. Next, we boot your income. Here are a few simple ideas anyone can do. Freelance on Fiverr or Upwork. Start a small side hustle. Online business, tutoring, selling on Amazon. Take on weekend gigs, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Your goal, make an extra $200, $500 a month to stack on top of your savings. Step 4. Automate your savings. This step is critical. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid, $200 or more, straight to a high-yield savings account. When saving is automated, you don't have to rely on willpower, and your 10K goal stays on track. Step 5. Stay motivated. Finally, track your progress and stay motivated. Saving $10,000 is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Now you have the plan. It's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and comment below, what's your 2025 savings goal? Let me know in the comments below.